Nag-alboroto si Goldify kahapon, mga titos and tinas. It was down by 4.36% nung closing, pero umabot pa to almost ng 6% ano, from top to bottom. Nag-rally back lang, no? O hinugot lang bago mag-closing. All right, we are defending, the bulls are defending the 5,100 level. Ito po yung makunat level natin. Remember, the 5,100. So far, respected pa rin naman po yan. And we are seeing a rally today. Okay, hindi lang natin alam kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba siya paakyat. Now, gold is forming an ascending parallel channel or pwede rin itong maging rising wedge, ha, mga titos and titas. Although hindi masyadong prominent yung pagka-rising wedge niya, more on a parallel, upward sloping parallel channel. But you know, itong mga upward sloping parallel channel, usually it breaks to the downside. All right. So, meaning to say, ang possible move ni gold sa daily time frame, baka makakita tayo ng ganito, no? So, kung hindi natin kaya talagang basagin tong 5,400 level, or the all-time high, okay, pwede kasing umakyat yan dyan, okay? Baka magko-collapse ulit tayo, pabalik dito sa 4,600, and I don't know kung magko-consolidate tayo ng matagal dyan. Pero malapad-lapad tong range na to kung sakasakaling dyan gustong mag-consolidate ni Goldify, no? So, sa lower time frame, mga titos and titas, kung makikita ninyo, yung mga TIPI traders natin, meron tayo nakitang buy the dip setup sa 1-hour time frame. It's still ongoing. Green cloud, green dot, green candle in overpowered tong previous red candle. Ayan po yung entry. Alright, ito yung SL. Hindi na SL, kaya ongoing pa po itong trade na to. So, yung mga nakapasok po dito, pwede nang mag-trailing stop, no? Para in case na bumalik yung presyo, you can take some of your profit, makakapag